In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to use Affirm on Amazon. So, first things first, you must log into your Amazon account. Once there, select a product of your choice, then click on the Add to Cart. Now, click on the Proceed to check out items. Once there, click on Use this address. As you can see, I still got no Affirm for now, but to be able to use that, you have to click on the Pay Over Time with Affirm, then go ahead and click the Use this payment method. Then it will give you some offers, but it's up to you if you want to use that or not. Then to items and shipping, click on the Continue to Application. You need to provide your phone number for the code once done. Click on Continue. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.